Right, we're here with the Lumex 2 and we're just having a look at the gears inside a lathe. The expert technician in this shed is Don Banks, and today we're looking at a 3-chuck that's got a what is that there, the rubber thing there, Don?
Well, it's a soft pedal or a soft piece for the boot to go on when you're shifting the gears on the...
Yep, I know what you're saying. Your foot rests on it and it pivots on that point.
Yep.
Okay, we'll just stay out of the way here and we're just going to... So this is a lens...
I need a little spanner.
Yep, you're right. This is a lens which is 42. We're on 42 now, and this is 14 before. So we're just looking at this. So we've got some good light through the window. And if I was doing this, I'd just use a Stanley knife and...
We better square it up, see? Right.
I'd use a Stanley knife.
Positive stops on it. But if you don't get the tool in square, you can't guarantee it. That's better.
What Don's doing now is measuring.
Yeah, just giving me the 1/2 inch I'm after.
So he's taking a 1/2 inch out of it.
Yeah.